Hey folks, welcome back to Next Tech. Tom's here. Today we are going to discuss about the Jupyter Notebook issue. Every day, new issue, right? So today we are going to solve the Jupyter Notebook is not launching, or else we can say it Jupyter Notebook launching or Jupyter Notebook is can't open issue. We can say that in the general language. So myself, Tom, today let's crack it. Come on. So, first, let's see Jupyter. So, this is known as a Jupyter Notebook. When you download it, you can store it here. So, basically, when we click this icon, it will directly launch the Jupyter Notebook in our Chrome or else any web browser you are using. So, basically, sometimes there may be some like path issues, etc. things which may block the launching of Jupyter Notebook. So, we can try it out in another way to launch Jupyter Notebook. So let's just go to command prompt here and type Jupyter Note book, press enter. Jupyter, I'm sorry, my bad. So let's give it a shot and here we go. The Jupyter Notebook is launched. So basically, we can launch the Jupyter Notebook from our command prompt. So whenever you find this issue, just go to command prompt and type Jupyter Notebook such that you can launch your Jupyter Notebook manually. That's it, folks. Bye bye.